Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're powering on for the first time? Plug in and make sure battery reads at least 20%. Sign in with your Google account so Chrome Sync restores passwords and bookmarks. This saves setup time. Enable two-step verification now because it protects your data while you install apps. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and confirm language and privacy options. These choices determine default search, spell check, and update behavior, so make deliberate selections before moving on. Now you'll add tools that make Chrome OS practical for work. Open Settings and enable Google Play if you need Android apps, then install key apps and Chrome extensions. Choose permissions carefully so apps access only what they need. Customize the shelf and keyboard shortcuts to speed navigation, and adjust display scaling for clarity. Make power and sleep settings match your habits so battery life behaves predictably. After configuring, test a few apps to confirm they open and sync as expected. Finish by organizing files and ensuring backup. Set Google Drive as your main folder and enable offline access for essential documents so you always have them. Run a system update and create a USB recovery image to restore the system if updates fail. Verify printers, mice, and displays work and adjust permissions for camera and mic in settings. If something goes wrong, try a power wash to return to factory state. If problems persist, capture error messages and contact support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.